Now Feast is going to go into a bit more detail about these three types of pineapple wine here at Maui Wine, here, believe it or not, in Maui. So Feast, far away, the stage is yours.
This is a Brut. Typically you have this first. This one's like a white wine, so you could probably have this with some fish. And I was just showing Peter, if you spin your wine, you should be able to see the legs. You don't really see so many legs here.
The legs?
But this one,
The table legs.
yeah, this one, the legs are like what comes down from the perimeter down.
Am I being stupid here?
It takes a bit more time. Okay.
I know that there's what you actually mean. Okay, you were saying, sorry, about the table, the legs.
The legs, so in a sweeter wine, usually they go down slower. Well, we'll see. I don't see so much legs, but maybe it's because it's very sweet. Let's find out. Next is the Maui Blanc.
Now, I should say that I had the sparkling one, and it's still sparkling away there.
You might like this.
I didn't like it. I thought it was bitter.
If you like white wine.
Which one's this?
Maui Blanc.
Maui Blanc, okay.
Everybody has different tastes, so that's okay.
Oh, I don't like that one either.
Alright. Well, then do you want to try the Maui Splash?
No, give it like 30 seconds for the taste of the.
That's true.
But you tell us what you think of what you've drunk so far.
I'm not a white wine person, but I think if I was looking for something pineapple, I probably want sparkling, or let's try the sweet. Here, I'll try the sweet. Try the sweet. Tell me what you think. It has a little bit of lilikoi too.
Yeah, that's a bit better. Of the three of them, yeah, just the sweet one is my favorite. But even then, you know, it's not my
It's definitely not his cup of tea.
No, it's not my cup of tea. I'd rather have a cup of tea with rhubarb crumble and custard, to be honest with
You
you.
might have later. Well,
Oh yeah, Feast. A couple of days ago, Feast made some granola, right? Now she's just implied that she might do the same again, but this time, like for a crumble. Now, if I get some apples, they're on sale at Costco, by the way, if you're interested. Then maybe we could have an apple crumble and custard. Is that on? I mean, really?
Why not?
Honestly. I mean, what do I have to do for that? I mean.
Subscribers.
Oh, hang on, no, we don't talk about that. Anyway, okay, so which is of these three, do you have a favorite?
Mine is between the sparkling and the Maui Splash.
Okay, so the one in the middle, which is, neither of us like that one, right?
Yeah, it's like a white wine. I'm not a white wine fan.
Okay. All right, so this is, okay, here's a bit of a graphic that talks about the three of them there. Anyway, it says here that pineapple is the king of fruits, and Maui Gold pineapples, well, they're the king of all pineapples. Well, there's probably lots of people in Costa Rica that would disagree with that, but there you go. All right, so, oh, this may actually be my favorite drink of what's on this table right now. This might be my favorite of all. Good old H2O.
Good old H2O. Exactly. It's really true.
Oh dear. Okay, so that's it. Don't forget to subscribe, everybody. Thank you very, very much.